Hello everyone, welcome to Python learning series day 7. Today we are going to see the integer data types. In my Python learning project, I am creating one new file. The file name called integer datatypes.py. So this file needs to be added. Yes, I am adding to the Git repository. Now I have created new files to explain the integers. In Python, integer is represented int function. Integer means whole number. It has positive, negative as well as zero value. The whole number in the sense it does not have any fractional values. After the full number, there is no dotted with some fractional values. It's a complete whole number. Compared to other language, Python integer value is growable. That means how long the system memory is applicable, it will be grow by default. It does not have any limits like up to 10 values or 20 values only. If you go to other language like C, C++, it has some restriction to add the integer values. But in Python, we can allocate many values like more than 100 characters, 2000 like that. How much the system memory is available, based on that, the value will increase. We don't need to declare the Python integer variables when we are creating the programs. For example, if I'm allocating the whole number, then I don't need to specify any data types in that particular variable. If there is a number 10 is there, it's a complete whole number. In that case, Python automatically consider this is the integer value. Then I don't need to mention any integer in front of that particular variable. For example, a equal to 10, then I don't need to mention integer a is equal to 10. By default, it will consider a is equal to 10 is the integer value. Using this integer data values, Python supports many arithmetic operations. For example, addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, modular, remainder, like there are many arithmetic operations this data type is supporting. Integer data types we can define four ways. The number one, decimal literals, number two, binary literals, number three, octal literals, then hexadecimal format. In decimal literals, we can give 0 to 9. Between 0 to 9, all the numbers we can give as a decimal literals. For example, a is equal to 2. Then the binary format literals, we can give zeros and ones. 0 or 1. The binary format is yes or no, like 0 or 1 only we can able to give. Then in the octal format, we can give 0 to up to 7. The 8 values we can able to give from number 0 to 7. Then in the hexadecimal format, we can give 0 to 9 and then A to F. In between A to A, B, C, D, E, F up to F, the ABCD characters we can give. And in the numbers 0 to between 9, the 10 numbers we can able to give. For example, the format is 0x, here hex pointing to the hexadecimal, 0x, then between these numbers we can give anything, 0 to 9 and then A to F. In the octal literals, we can give 0, it should start with 0, then O pointing to octal format. This value is octal format up to 0 to 7. Here we can give up to 8 values, 0 to 7. Here in the binary formats, it should start with 0, then B pointing to the binary, and then values between like a 0 or 1. In between those two value only we can give. These are the four formats we can give in the integer data types in Python. I'm going to check what is the type of this particular variable A. Is it integer or float? What's the type? I'm going to check. I'm going to run the integer data type file now. I'm executing. The output it's getting, yes, it's executed successfully. Integer data type. It's showing this number. There is no limit. It's not showing any error. Like I want to enter up to 10, 10 character or 15 characters. It's giving the result up to many characters. How much my system giving the memory, based on that it's allocating. So I'm running again. Then it's running properly. If I give 0, then B. If I run this, it should throw error because this binary format is 0 or 1 only should be there, but I'm giving more than 1 also. If I run this program, yes, it's showing invalid syntax. The digit 2 is not the binary literals. So I'm commenting this particular variable. I'm again creating one more variable A is equal to 0 binary format, then 1001. I'm giving the value. Now I'm going to check what's the type of this A. I'm going to run this file. It's showing integer type. Yeah, this binary format also comes under integer, so it's showing the integer data type. Similarly, if I give oct as well as hexadecimal, for that also I will get the integer value only. So if I give the octal format, I'm just changing B to O, B 0 octal O, then 2 3 4 something up to 7 we can give. So I'm giving that, then executing this file. Yes, this also executed successfully, and this format also binary. This format comes under the octal format, and in this also the integer types, the octal also. So it's showing integer output. Okay, now I'm changing this octal to hexadecimal. So now I'm giving in the hexadecimal, it accept up to 9. A, B, C, D also it will accept A, B, C. something we can give up to f we can give in the ABC list. Then it should start 0 then x hexadecimal. I'm going to rerun this program. Yes, this also executing successfully. This also comes under the integer type. Now I'm going to check the ID of this particular hexadecimal value. So I'm giving in the hexadecimal we can give up to 0 to 9, then A, F. Between A to F we can give. So I'm giving some more characters. Then I'm entering ABC and F some values. Now I'm going to check these values. PCF. I'm saving running this project. Yeah, this is the ID of this particular value. Now I'm going to get the size of this integer value. So I'm giving for that print size of a colon space comma. Then I'm giving system dot get size of a, giving that. Then I'm going to run this project. So it has the size of this particular value is 36. When I run the size of this particular value, I'm using system modules here. System dot get the size of a function. For this, I want to import the system module. When I type this, by default, the Python importing this inbuilt module, the system module, it's importing. Similarly, we can get the print ID and then size of the value for other formats. For example, decimal, binary, and then octal format also, we can able to get it. Just I'm commenting this a. I'm giving the integer value a is equal to 10. Then I'm running the project. Now I'm getting different value. Similarly, now I'm changing to binary values 0 b, then 10001 something I'm giving. I'm going to run the project now. Now I'm getting different value. Similarly, if I change the actual value, I'm getting the different ID. Okay, thank you for watching this video.